Hi, if you're looking for an underfloor heating system, then you came to the right place, because in MAINFLOOR we have everything you need for your installation. And now, let's start with the heart of every underfloor heating system, the pipe. In MAINFLOOR, we have a PERT pipe that is very flexible and is very easy to install. And the most important part, it has 5 layers with the oxygen barrier just in the middle. This means when you're working on the construction site, you will not damage the oxygen barrier.
We are now in our production, which is located in Kletzgau, Germany, and this is the place where we produce our pipe. Let me show you.
Thank you, Nicole. But we are not only a pipe producer. We have the whole system, starting from the insulation to the manifold and controls. Of course, all our products fit perfectly together to provide you the best solution for every installation. Please get in touch with us and we will tell you all the advantages about MAINFLOOR.